Hello guys and welcome back, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to change your webmail password in Cpanel and Webmail. Let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Harmonweb client area, then go under the services, choose the website you want to change the webmail, come on to Cpanel, log into your Cpanel account. I'm logged into my, then come under email account. Then check for the email that you want to change the webmail for. Then click on manage. I'm changing for this particular one. So click on the manage button. Then enter a new password that you want to use. Then you do what? You click on update email settings. Then successfully you've changed your password for that particular webmail. So now let's look at the second method in which you can use to change your webmail password via your webmail. So log into your webmail account, then come under password and security. Let me start from here. Log in your webmail via your Harmonweb client area. It's going to redirect you directly to your mail inbox. So you come under webmail home here, scroll down, then you are going to see passwords and security. Click on it. So now what you want to do right here is to set up your new password that you want to use for your account. Then click on save password. Then you successfully changed your webmail password via your webmail. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to someone who might need this. Thank you. See you in the next video.